Jesus.
Glad you're alright, dude. Do you have a lighter?
Allergies. I got allergies too.
Oh, guys, come on, it's not funny.
Kind of.
So glad it's
Actually, it's funny. It's fucking funny. You sure it goes in Kleenex?
What?
That was the sweetest laugh ever. No. I'll grab you some. I'll grab you some.
Just grab me some. Thank you.
Hit him. You're hitting him. Oh my god, look at this guy.
He's fake,
He
dude.
looks like he's about to fall over.
That dude's done.
He's so out of it. Oh! Oh!
That's
He's done. He's done. Oh, hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! He's gonna drop. He's fucking good. Look at him.
Hit his ear open.
Oh, he's gonna drop him. He just did this. Hey, which one's bleeding?
The white guy.
White guy? The guy's just dead. Not the Negro? If you would have hit him one more time good, he was done.
He would have been. I doubt he even knows what he's doing right now.
Spree. Dude, he's gonna. Kimmel's just gonna jack him.
Like 3 times.
What the fuck's that? What's that guy having his back? A tattoo. I don't know. Some fucking Hebrew.
Mario.
Yes. Mario. Mario Party. We got a tattoo of Mario. Party. Alright. Never seen Jesus many times.
Excuse a lot, dude. You know that.
The big
Oh, it sounds clear, though.
Hey, it's white instead of yellow. Alright, Kimbo.
Oh no.
Dead up the nose.
Holy shit!
Oh no.
Kimbo's just getting jacked.
He's like killing him. That's not good for the head.